fresh water is becoming harder and harder for many people to access. It is a finite resource.
The way that traditional agriculture utilizes water and delivers that water to its plants is, in a lot of cases, pretty wasteful in the sense that it's sort of a scatter shot, right? So you're utilizing sprinkler systems, maybe some drip systems. It's a more of a broad approach, and a lot of that water is being applied to areas where the plants actually are not.
We have a pump that basically pushes water through an irrigation line. Each one of these channels in our growing panels has its own little dripper emitter. That water drips down, it feeds all the plants, it basically coats the roots, and then gravity pulls it to the bottom of the panel where it drips out if it's not actively absorbed by the plants, runs back to our tank and is recaptured, and then it goes through that same process again.
Only water that's being lost by these plants is the water that they're either drinking or transpiring into the air. And in that transpiration, we're actually recapturing out of the air and pulling it back into our water systems to deliver to the plants once more. So this allows us to utilize 99% less water than that traditional sort of scattershot approach that you see in traditional agriculture.
We're actually able to use about 5 gallons of water a day to feed the entire farm that we have, which is typically somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 plants.